Hi, Ashley Aylor here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a full highlight and contour with the 30-second hack brush. I love this brush, especially if you're just getting started with mascara, makeup, and you're just getting started with a 3D foundation. So I'm going to show you which end is for what and how to use it. What I'm going to first do is go ahead and I'm working out of my triple decker. It holds all your makeup. So if you are a minimalist, you can simply just get your 45 tins. For every 4 that you purchase, you actually get a free compact. So it looks a little something like this, and it would hold all 4 of your tins in it. So if you want to start as a minimalist and just get the products that you need for getting started, then you absolutely can, and then just replace them as needed. Or if you're a maximalist like myself, then you can go ahead and upgrade to the double or triple decker in my case. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is grab my contour. This one right here is the contour, and I use Ash, and bear with me, I am having to adjust this ever so often. Okay, so first I like to go on with my contour. You're going to want to use that butt end of the 30-second hack brush, and you're just going to get that product on there. Don't be afraid to get a generous amount, okay? And then what I'm going to do is deposit this in. Now, it kind of, because I'm moving so fast, in some cases, it may look like I'm swiping, but what I'm actually doing is I'm taking it and dabbing it in really quickly, because you want to really make sure you're depositing that makeup, right? Then what you want to do, right, next I'm going to take it over here onto the side, right underneath my cheekbone, right there. You're going to find that kind of the top of your ear and go here to your iris. And because my face is a little bit smaller, curve up a little bit, okay? Then you're going to do on the other side. Once again, I am not swiping, I am depositing that makeup in, because you want to really set it in, right? And don't worry, they don't have to be perfect, because we are going to add our highlight in just a second. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to go underneath the jawline. Then with my fingers, I'm going to contour my nose. The closer together the lines, the more narrow you'll give, make that illusion or effect. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is go in with the triangular end, and I'm going to pick up my Brightening Highlight. Kind of acts as if it's your concealer. Go down the bridge of your nose, here, and then same down here, underneath the eyes. And where you first apply that makeup is where you're going to deposit the majority of it. So preferably not right there on top of your eye, right there in your eye, you know what I mean? So then what we're going to do is grab the main highlight, and I'm just going to kind of put it where I need the product. I shouldn't have put my earrings on. They're becoming a pain right now. I'm having to like jiggle my head to the side or tilt it to the side so that way I don't get makeup on my earrings. Okay, so now that I have all that where I want it, now I'm going to take the butt in again, and I'm just going to blend. So I'm just going to dab that product in. And then here, up here, you want to kind of make sure that's worked into the hairline. That way you don't look like you have a white scalp and then you have contour on your forehead. That's kind of embarrassing. Okay. Here, you don't want to smear, especially because you don't want to get rid of that dimension. So once again, I'm just dabbing it. And also, you can use our sponge. You can use the makeup sponge, like you absolutely can, but I just like to use my brushes. There's a piece of bristle or something, versus wetting the sponge, using the sponge. You know, what I love about this makeup is it's so quick and it's so easy, and it sticks in one compact, so I'm not having to grab in the bottom of my makeup bag to dig for my makeup. Here, you just kind of want to go back and forth on that contour line and then take it out like that upwards, because the whole idea behind it is to lift that face, right? And then here, I like to make sure it's really blended. That way I don't look like a brown streak is just coming out the side of my face. And then here, and brushes are so important, because you can't go buy like a $3 brush and expect to have that same finished look, right? Like, look how flawless this is. And look at the coverage. And then also, you save so much money with these brushes, the 30-second hack, because you are getting 2 sides. One, they're dense, so you're not picking up more product than what's necessary, so you're not wasting product. Then it's also convenient and compact because they're multi-purpose. And you can even use this end right here for your blush. What I love too about this makeup, the Maskcara beauty line, is all of these lips, and they're lip and cheeks. So you can use them for both your lips and your cheeks as your blush, or you can switch them up if you'd like. So the next brush I'm going to go ahead and use, this is our B squared brush. Okay, so the next brush I'm going to use is our B squared brush, and this is also double-ended, and I'm going to go in with this side, and I'm going to choose my blush. And I think what I'm going to choose today, it's a gorgeous color. It's one of my favorite colors. It's actually this one right here. It's called Ruby. It's gorgeous on the cheeks. And don't be afraid. It might look like it picks up a lot of product, but don't worry. It can be toned down, and honestly, it's still so gorgeous that it gives you that little pop. Can easily tone it down. And then what I like is to put it on my lips. It's just such a gorgeous color. And then I'm going to finish up my look, and I'll show you the after. I'm going to quickly do a quick eyeshadow, put on my lashes, and I'll show you the after, and I'll come back. And there's the finished look. Beautiful. I actually put a little bit of rose gold illuminator on my lips because I wanted to tone down that bright pink. And that's the really cool thing about this makeup. It's super versatile, and you can mix your illuminators with your lip and cheek. You can use your lip and cheeks as your eyeshadows. There's just so many amazing things. So if you have not grabbed your 30-second HAC brush and your makeup's not turning out like this, your highlight and contour is not turning out like this, then you need to go grab this brush. Because this is literally the brush I did everything with, except for using the B squared, which I did my cheeks with. And then, of course, I also use the eyeshadow everything brush for my eyes, which I'm digging this look. So for more how-tos and tutorials and reviews of my favorites, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe and hit the bell so that we are notified on every episode that I put up. Have a great day.